Hello, Physics 20 student. I'm just going to explain the last topic here in Lesson 2 for Unit B. So, first things first, let's try to understand what our outcomes are. We're going to take a closer look of Newton's laws again, but in this case, we're going to be focusing on the whole fact of, well, universal gravitation and the constant G, capital G, which we'll go more in detail, of course. Define the term field as a concept that replaces action at its distance, and apply the concept to describe gravitational effects, and predict quantitative differences in the weight of objects of different planets. So that means my weight on Earth is going to be different on the Moon, on Jupiter, on Saturn, and so forth, because weight changes, but mass stays the same wherever you go. Hence, mass is in a certain unit, and weight is in a certain unit. Um, so otherwise, we need to understand that we're going to be focusing on your web lesson. To move on, you're going to have your lesson 2 assignment, and your concept map will have to be done here too. And then there will also be midterm student feedback to help me understand what's going on in the course so far. Otherwise, let's give the opportunity to do some prior knowledge questions in this topic, and let's do them now. Welcome back, and let's just take a look at other little things that Sir Isaac did, like for the following. That's what you get for discovering gravity. Well, this is Sir Isaac who's falls actually on the banana instead of an apple falling on his head in this case. Just giving you a little joke here. How about this one? First law of cartoon physics. Gravity doesn't work until you look down. As we know, 100% correct. This is a misconception. This doesn't occur in real life. Once you fall down on that cliff, you're falling down. Doesn't matter if you're looking down or not. But as we know, that's just a little humor here I've added. I like this one because it's showing the little boy here, Sir which today it's considered to be Sir Isaac. Sir Isaac Newton was sitting under his apple tree when one fell on his head. As we see, this one of them fell, and at that same moment he got an idea. Wondered what made that apple fall out of the tree, then realized it must be a force that the name gravity. And this is the important. Gravity is important because it keeps the planets in orbit, and that's basically what we're going to be looking at in this topic, and more in that, of course, how they stay in orbit and everything. Let's see the beauty that does exist in our orbits and so forth. Here's our planet solar system. There's us, Earth, and in there are plenty other satellites. Sorry, satellites that are um, yes, actually, it is true to say these are considered to be satellites. There's artificial satellites and natural satellites, and these are all considered to be natural satellites. And in there, you're going to be realizing we have an order of planets, how they go around the sun. And these are Jupiter moons, just showing the beauty of that and how they're going around Jupiter. We also have pretty solar like a birth of a star, like a supernova, and that's what it's showing there. There's some beauty in that, of course, and then there's also another beauty right here in a galaxy, and so forth. So all of these all stick together because of gravity. That's the beauty of it. Let's finish off here with a prayer. Let's put ourselves in the presence of the Lord. In the name of the Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Amen. Almighty Father, thank you for the blessings you have showered upon us. We thank you for the gift of life, gift of love in a new day. As we follow your uniform circular motion, let us remember that you are a centripetal force that allows us to seek your central presence. Let us also be reminded that you are the universe, gravitation that attracts into the majestic power. Let us all be weightless with your beauty gifts, for as to launch the satellite of blessings into others. O Lord, you are the gravitational force, the electromagnetic force, the nuclear force, and the only force that governs my eternity. Amen. In Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Thank you, Lord, for giving us the opportunity to learn more physics here. Have a great time here, guys.